DuPage County is home to some of the most professional business environments in the Midwest, and the cleaning standard here has to match. At Helping Hands Commercial Cleaning, we've been headquartered in DuPage County since 2001. This is our home market. Every visit is documented, inspected, and held to the standard your facility expects, because showing up isn't enough. Performing consistently is. Our team members are carefully selected, fully trained, and background checked before they ever step inside your building. Every week, a supervisor inspects your facility and documents the results. No assumptions, no shortcuts. Our people are direct hire employees, never subcontractors. Consistent faces, consistent performance, and a single point of contact for everything. Choosing your janitorial service in DuPage County is one of the most important decisions you make for your facility. Helping Hands Commercial Cleaning is rooted in DuPage County and trusted across Chicagoland. Request your free facility walkthrough today.